Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript interface. An interface is a synthetical contract that defines the structure of an object. It defines the properties and methods that a class must implement. Now I am going to show you the syntax of interface. And then method name, this was the syntax of the interface. Now I am going to show you how it will be in real code. Interface version, string, number, word. Next, class student implements and then constructor, save this, and if I run, see, hello, my name is Alice, I am 15 years old and I am in grade ninth. In this code, we define an interface person with properties name, age, and greet method. We define a class student that implements the person interface. It must implement all properties and methods defined in the interface. We create an object student one of type person should using the new keyword and pass Alice 15 and ninth as argument to the constructor. We call the greet method on the student one object. This will output hello, my name is Alice. I am 15 years old. I am in ninth grade. Next, we are going to see about optional properties. For that interface person John. See, I am getting name as John and the name as Jane and age 30. This is how the optional property will work. Next, we are going to see about extending interface. Same like this. Interface person name string and age is number. Interface student extends person grade string student equal to name the grade is ninth. Console log student. Now if I run this node main, see I am getting name as Alice, age 15 and grade as 9. Like this, the extending interface will work. In this tutorial, we have covered how to define interface in TypeScript, including optional properties, read-only properties, extended interface, and implementing interface in class. Understanding interface is essential for writing flexible and maintainable TypeScript code. Thank you.